Today we're having a look at Clickbank for Beginners. And look, this is not just for beginners, it's perfect for anybody who wants to make money on Clickbank or even online, because the method I'm going to share with you today, you can use this over on Clickbank, you can use this on Warrior Plus, you can use it on JVZoo, Commission Junction. Honestly, you can use this method on absolutely any platform, and it is without a doubt the quickest way to get started marketing affiliate products over on Clickbank. So what we'll do is I'll go over exactly how this works. Now this method is available worldwide, and I'll share with you how you can get results fast. So instead of going down the blog route or the search engine optimization route, we're going to focus on getting results very quickly, like within a couple of hours. So this is without a doubt the quickest way to make money over on Clickbank. So what do you not need? Well, you do not need any experience, you do not need skills, and you do not need to spend lots of time with this. And this is why I love this method, because once you set this up, it becomes a passive income, and you can start to scale this up as you go through each and every step. And speaking of the steps, make sure you watch this video till the end, because if you miss any of these, then you will not know how to set this up properly. So once we've gone over the method and I've shown you how to do this step by step, I'll show you how you can make more money with this method. We'll then go over speeding up the entire process, and then I'll also share with you how you can fast track the whole process. But either way, if you want to make money online or whether you want to make money on Clickbank, then this video will walk you through absolutely everything you need to know. So let's jump into it. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. So in this method, we're going to look at this really fast way to start making money online, and we're focusing on Clickbank. So let's jump over onto Clickbank now, and we'll start right at the beginning. So over on Clickbank, you go ahead and you create a free account. Once you've got your free account, you simply come into here where it says Marketplace. You click on Marketplace and you'll be met with this screen. If you're watching this video in a couple of years from now, it may be a little bit different, but ultimately everything I'm going to share still works. So on the left hand side, you've got all of your different categories, and on here, this is where you're going to find products to promote. So we're just going to click on here. Now, you see this arrow here? If you click this, it brings down additional products in here. But if you didn't click this and you just wanted to go into the entire category, you just click on there and it will bring up all of the products on here for you. Now up here, you can see you've got the search results here, but you can play around with this if you wanted to. So you could go and filter this via average sale, so how much you can expect to earn. Average sale for somebody purchasing via your link. You've got initial sale, and then you've also got you've got all of these other ones on here. So let me just put it back to the first one. So this is the first one. So this video today, I put in the thumbnail, clickbaity thumbnail, is how you can earn $500 plus per day. So for this, I'm going to focus on this product here, because as you can see, the average sale amount is $504. But there's many more of these products that you can find where you can earn in excess of $500. You can earn a lot more than this, but it is going to take some time and effort. So how does it work? So you go ahead and you find products that you want to promote. Once you find one, you simply go over here to affiliate page. But before that, if you wanted to go ahead and check out the products before you start recommending it or sharing it, you'd simply click on this link here and it would show you the actual landing page or sales page where you're sending people to. So let's go over here and click on this here, the affiliate page, because this is the one that you're interested in and this is the one you're going to need. So you click on there, it opens up this page here. This here is John, this is the course creator, and this is just like a welcome video talking about his course and what he recommends, etc, etc. But if you scroll down here, look, they've done all of the work for you. Like literally everything's been done for you. All you need to do here is run traffic to this, and we'll go through this in a second. So you can see you've got JV email promo, you've got as a back-end product, Facebook ads and YouTube ads, and that's what we're going to focus on today, is YouTube ads. And before you worry and think, well, I don't have a YouTube account, I don't know how to do YouTube ads, you don't need to. It's all been done for you. So I'm going to click on there, YouTube ads. Now you see, scroll down here. Now you can see this is from John, the course creator. He's been running YouTube ads internally at a 500% return on investment for over a year now. It goes over targeting for YouTube ads. Now if I scroll down here, look at this. This is why I love this method. All of this has been done for you. So let me just close this up here. So on here, these are the ads which have been done for you. So if you wanted to go ahead and have a look at these, so you've got, let's look, new YouTube video, and click on there. It opens up into a new drive, into a new folder. You can go into here really simply and download the video. Look, you've got all of these different ones on here. Look, you've got 2, 4, 6. You've got 8 of these different YouTube videos that you can use specifically for YouTube ads. So you go through, you pick one, and you download it. That's that part done. So you've got your video, you've downloaded this. We're going to go back over here to Clickbank. We're going to get the link that you would need. So you'd click on promote. This down here, see where it says default? Click on generate hop link. Okay, so this here is your link. So basically you send anyone to this link here and then they go through and purchase this product, then you earn a commission. Okay, so I hope that all makes sense so far. So I'm going to copy this here, come out of this, and we've got this. So we've got our link, we've got our video. The next part of this whole process is we're going to need somewhere to send people to. And what I mean by that is when you run a YouTube ad, on YouTube, you need to send people over to, a landing page or a website. So if you don't have any money and you don't have a website or a blog or anything like that, what you can do is you can go over to free websites like Wix or blogger.com or absolutely any one of these. And all you would do on there is you would create a free account and then you'd do a really simple review for this product here. And then on there, you would have a link over to this product here, this super affiliate system. Okay, so let me give you an example of this. So I'm just going to take super affiliate system. Super affiliate system review. Let me go and show you this. So scroll down here, super affiliate system review, jenny.com. Let's just go and click on Jenny's review here and have a look at this, just so you can see exactly how people lay this out. So you can see on here, super affiliate system review, she talks about what it is, what's included. Look, it's all really simple stuff. So what's included, what's not included, and she goes over the training. But if you scroll down here, keep going down here, look. Where is it? Here, look, join here, super affiliate system. Super affiliate system. So if I was to click on any of these, it would send me over to the super affiliate system. And then if I was to purchase that product, then Jenny here would go ahead and earn an affiliate commission. So it is easy stuff, this. And also, if you go back over to the affiliate page here, all of your content, you can find all of your content on here for you. If you go back up here, take this further up on here. Look, it tells you about the product. What is the product? Well, it goes over the ads, pre-sales, the offers, basically the core skills we focus on: copywriting, data analysis, research, etc., etc. So everything has been done for you on this affiliate page. Now, if I scroll this up to the top, let me take this all the way up to the top. I'll show you how you do the next step. So you've got your video, you've got your link, you're going to create your YouTube video. So if we go over to YouTube, and let me just go into my account here. So I'm going to click on YouTube Studio Better, and we'll go in here. So if you don't have a YouTube account, you create one free. So you go ahead, create a YouTube account, upload the video, and you can leave it as unlisted or whatever you want it to be. And then we're going to go over here to videos. Then once you've uploaded that video over to YouTube here, on the right hand side where you've got this options here, you'd simply click on promote. This opens up a new tab here for you. Now I'm going to go over this pretty quickly for you, but it's done. It's laid out in steps for you. So as you go through, you cannot mess this bit up really. So first of all, you would give this a name. So in this example here, it would be, let's just go with John. So scroll down here. So you've got two options at this part. You've got automatically play the video before other YouTube videos. So that's, when you go onto YouTube and you click on play and those ads played before, that is where you would put those video ads. So you click on here and then you scroll down on here and you can see this here. You've got where do you want your ad to appear? So on YouTube and Google, or only on YouTube? So it's up to you. You can go with either or, but we'll go with only on YouTube. Now you see here, after viewers click your ad, where do you want to send them? Well, this is where you send them over to the blog. So you'd send them over to the free blog that you've created over on Wix or Blogger or wherever. So you'd put in your blog here. Now let me just go ahead and grab a link from my blog just to go to Not Taught at School. I'll just go grab my blog here just for the sake of this. So when people click on here, I'm going to send them over to my blog here. But obviously you would send them over to yours. Once you're happy with that, you click on Continue. Now, customer location or target locations. Where do you want to target people? So we're going to click on here. So, if you wanted to do United States, click on there. So you're targeting everybody in the United States. If you want to target people in, Canada, etc., etc., you'd go through and you'd do all of your targeting. Once you're happy with your targeting, well, you can actually filter this even more. So you can go for people who speak a specific language. So at this moment in time, it's set up to English, but again, you can play around with this. Click on Continue. Scroll down here. You can go and do more targeted traffic, I can't even speak, can I? Get your ad in front of more people specifically. So if you want to target only male, you would get rid of these. If you want to target people who are only male within a certain age group, well, then you would go through and you'd do this. And then you can even go further down, like, parental status, change this if you wanted to. Go down, you could go ahead and change this to, you can go through all of these different ones on here. Look, there's lots on here, but I'm doing this very quickly for the sake of the video. So you'd go through this, but you can keep it as broad as you want. So if you want to keep it broad, you'd click on there and then you'd click on Continue. Scroll down here. What is your daily budget? And look, you can change this at absolutely any point. So I'm in the UK, so if I want to set this at, say, £10 a day, I'm going to click on Create Campaign. That's loading, and then once that's done, it will literally takes a few minutes and it goes through. And as you can see on here, I currently do this myself. You can see these are just some of the campaigns I have got currently running. I've also got 2 new ones that I set up 10 minutes ago before this video. I set up these campaigns all the time and I trial them, I test them, and I play around with them. And you can see on here, you can start to see some of the costs per clicks depending on which campaign that I am running. So that is how you go ahead and make money fast over on Clickbank. Now, I said to you at the beginning of the video, if you wanted to fast track this, well then I'd show you how to do that. So this here is a product which I recommend. I purchased this product, I went through the training on here, and I learned about running YouTube ads. The product is called Eclipse and it will cost you $12. Now also, let me just go and show you this. So it goes over absolutely everything to do with this, but it goes over it in a lot more detail. It also shows you how you can get $100 worth of Google ad campaigns for $10, and there's lots more stuff in there for you. So I've given you a brief overview of this. Inside the course, they go through the targeting, they show you multiple different ways how you can set up these campaigns. And I've also put together a few bonuses for you, so if you purchase this via the link down below, you'll get access to not only the course, but all of these bonuses here. So I've got my affiliate academy, you'll get my course on there. We've got a course on launch jacking, there's also another course on launch jacking, there's another course here, another one. There's this one here, this shows you how to do retargeting with your ads. So if you've sent people over to your blog or your website, this bonus here will show you how to retarget those people, and the cost per conversion on this one, it's very cheap compared to running ads to people in the first place. So what I mean is, you've run this ad campaign over on YouTube, somebody clicks on that, they go over to your review video over on Wix. If they do not purchase the first time, you can set up a retargeting campaign to basically try and get them back over to your blog and click on your link to purchase this. And you can get results very cheaply with retargeting because they've already seen the content, they've already seen the free video, they've seen your review. So by retargeting them, they're already familiar with this. And people need a couple of interactions with something before they go ahead and purchase. So this will show you exactly how to do this. There's also an additional bonus on here, but then what I really like about this is the vendors, they've gone ahead and given you additional bonuses. So you get some Instagram software, you also go ahead and get 2 additional traffic sources to use on here. There's the Fuego breakout, that's another course, and then there's another one on here. And look, it comes with a 30-day money back guarantee, and as you can see, it will cost you $13. So you'll get all of these bonuses on here, and you'll get the full course here, which walks you through absolutely everything that I've gone through, but in a hell of a lot more detail. I'll show you how to do all of this properly. And the guys who created this course, they're earning really big amounts of money with this. I'm not saying you're going to earn that, I'm just saying these people do this for a living. Now, one last thing, if you do purchase this and you're wondering where your bonuses are, all these ones that I've promised you down below, what happens is when you purchase this, it goes over to Warrior Plus. So to get all of the bonuses I've mentioned, you simply go up here and you click on My Purchases. So you can see these are all the products that I've purchased so far this year. To get your bonuses, you'd simply click on the product, click on there, then this opens up and it will say Access Affiliate Bonus in a blue box. So you see here, Access Affiliate Bonus. If you click on there, it will take you over to my download page where you'll get instant access to all of my bonuses. So that there is called Eclipse. That's how you can speed up everything that I've gone through today, and as I mentioned, it goes a hell of a lot more into detail about what you need to do, what you don't need to do. But that is today's method. That is how you go ahead and make $500 plus per day over on Clickbank. You find products to promote. Once you've got the products, you go ahead and get the affiliate page, you download the YouTube videos, you then create a blog or a website for free, and you put on a really simple review article on there with a link over to your blog. And then once you've done that, you then run your paid ad over on YouTube, and it works on absolutely any platform. So that is enough for today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you've got any questions, drop them down below. So thanks for watching, have a great day, I'll see you tomorrow.